Have you ever found yourself working on a project that's failed in implementation? Research shows failure rates of up to 70%.
Whereas traditional frameworks provide you with loads of material and methods on implementation of the business strategy, the IIBA Strategy to Execution framework precedes implementation of the strategy. The framework provides comprehensive knowledge for cross-discipline senior practitioners that facilitates the creation of 9 guiding strategies and pathways which are essential for business change and transformation. These enable organisations to move from strategy to execution and are best done before traditional implementation.
So in this fast-changing digital transformation world, minimise business risk and costs of failure, achieve your desired business outcomes, and turn 70% failure rates into 70% success rates.
Business analysis is ubiquitous across an organisation, but a business analyst is often only called on during implementation when the requirements for a project need to be developed. There is so much more foundational business analysis that needs to be done prior to implementation, prior to business cases, such as defining the exact problem to be resolved, the purpose, the current business context, the future concept of operations, role clarity, key stakeholders, roadmaps, sourcing, user journeys, and so much more for a successful implementation that achieves the desired outcome. Business analysis is key to enabling change that drives project and business success. Research shows that up to 70% of projects fail in the absence of business analysis prior to implementation. The Strategy to Execution framework was developed by practitioners in the field to guide those doing strategic business analysis to create the foundations and 9 guiding strategies that enable successful implementation of change and transformation. Successful results mean successful outcomes and return on investment for the business. So minimise your business risk and costs of failure, achieve your desired outcomes, and turn your 70% project failure rates into 70% success rates.